How to transfer money from Bitget to bank. This one is actually the most asked, so let me just cover it today. First, open your Bitget account just like that. Sending to your local bank is going to be requiring you some of the regional information, that what mediums and what platforms are available on to basically add to your location or region. Then you're going to be heading over to your assets section from the bottom right side of your screen. Then, my friend, you need to simply click on this deposit option. We are not going to be depositing anything, do not worry. Click on this P2P trading. This is for the peer-to-peer networking. I'm going to be just simply okay. So once you do that, you need to simply go with any of the trader that sounds authentic and is giving the best rate. You can see we got 294 rupees, but yeah, the idea is simple. Click on sell basically, and then you can sell to these and get into your directly bank account. You can see bank accounts are actually mentioned. You can see bank transfer here and there everywhere. So yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.